Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author and artist of many books on drawing cartoons. A lot of you have them already, and I thank you for that. And many of you, I hope, will get them, and that would be great. Today, I want to go over some secrets of exaggeration, super exaggeration, to create cartoon characters. I think we're going to start with a cartoon skunk, which is funny anyway, to make such a cute, lovable character out of something so stinky. So instead of drawing, we'll do an oval here, and we'll do something here, and it'll be all cute and round. We're not going to be so cute and round. We're going to kind of mangle the shape, which will be fun. So I want to start this way. This is the basic shape I want to start with, kind of like a refrigerator. I'm going to go over this in black, dark black, so you see it afterwards. Right now, for the sketch, we'll do it this way. Nice, long snout. Go here, makes this a little thinner. All right, the snout has a big ball at the end. Do you know they're rodents? So they have the long snouts. That's what they are. They're rodents. And they happen to be pretty cute, I think, at a distance. Anyway, so then I'll come in here to get the back of the neck. And now I'm going to do something, it's already exaggerated. Clearly this doesn't graduate up. I just stuck it on, purposely looking a little odd. Now, so I'm going to round this off here. And now what I'm going to do is this is a real exaggeration, 1 foot facing this way, 1 foot facing this way. Now, why is that so weird? Because he's facing in a profile. These feet are facing forward, so this way he's in a forward stance. So it's funny in itself. All right, so let me give him some eyes on the same side of the head. Okay, and we will bring this down a little bit inside. A couple of teeth. Have you ever seen teeth like that on a skunk? I think not. I'm going to bring this in a little bit more. Okay. Give him a little marking, very circular, so it's like ridiculous. Come on. And then we'll bring the arm, a little useless arm with fingers right in here. I'm going to bring this in. Now, why is that? Because it's funny to show his bottom. And that's his bottom right there, okay? So that's that. I may bring this in a little further. And now I'm going to round that off and give him some funny ears. Maybe float one up here, like that. Maybe I should make a smile. What do you think? Have him look ahead a little bit. I still think he's a little too tall. So I'm going to change that. And give him that. Okay. Let's give it a try and see what we come up with now. All right, we're going to put that to work. It's hard to do this, such a thick line for the eyes, but that's the way it goes in cartoon land. I like to do the nose first because you then kind of have like a goal. Everything's got to reach that. Nice and thick. And curling it, not as you go, but right at the end. I'll erase the pencil in a minute. A little big shock of hair on the top. Now let's see what we've got. It's like aerobic or racing. Oh my God. Well, at least I can eat more calories tonight. Did you exercise tonight, honey? Yes, I erased. All right, let's see. Now, maybe we should add some gray. Look at all these grays I've got. Let's see, is that one good? Is that too dark? Yes. How about that one? Is that too dark? I feel like Goldilocks. That's just right. Okay, here we go. Got to keep it away from these lines because it will definitely smudge. This should be white. A bunch of white, and a bunch of gray, and a bunch of black. Okay. And last. I don't know why everyone says last, but not least. Well, maybe it is least. Or maybe it's just last. I ponder these things when I'm alone. That and the fate of the universe. Last and least. All right. I think I have to color this, gray this in. I do think so. And a little bit of this. There you go. There is your ridiculously exaggerated cartoon animal skunk. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have more tips and tricks for you every week. New video every week. So please subscribe. I will see you then. Thank you. Thanks for joining me. Bye.